Oh, I got two on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a top 10 video. It's going to be my top 10 favorite catches this year in 2023. We've had a great year, been able to catch a lot of big bass. We've had some unique catches and also been able to win some money with catching big bass in tournaments. So those will be in today's video, but I just wanted to take a video, highlight my top 10 favorite catches, and also take this time to thank y'all for all the support that y'all have given to the channel and for sticking with me through this year of 2023. So now let's get into my top 10 favorite catches of 2023. Golly. Man, that is a nice one. Check that out. That is a quality fish. Get a weight on her real quick. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. Thank you, girl. That's another nice one. Oh, stay pinned, stay pinned. Oh, it's a double up. What on earth? Well, that's why you throw an A-rig, right? All right, let's get this guy unhooked. That is so fun. All right, thank y'all. Alright, well, I know what I'm doing on tournament day. Oh man. Check that one out. That is a tank. It's probably a good 4.5. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. That's a 20 3/4 inch, 4.5 pound bass. Let her go right back where I caught her. Thank you, girl. Oh man, what a great one. Oh, that is an awesome one. That is what I'm talking about. Yes, just barely had her. Look at that bass. That is what we need to be competitive today. All right, 18.5. What a great way to start the morning. That is a beautiful bass out here. Thank you, girl. That one has a little more weight behind it. Oh, I got two on. You know they're schooled up when you double up. That is awesome. All right, double release. That doesn't happen too often. All righty, thank y'all. That's a little bit nicer of one. Ooh. Okay. That is built like a tank. Look at that. That is like perfectly proportioned. That, and she choked that Cinco. See. Wow, that is 4 pounds 3 ounces. 4 pounds 3 ounces. 18 3/4, about 4 1/4 pounds. She is getting ready to spawn. Beautiful fish. All right, thank you, girl. Still on there. I don't know how big it is, but it don't feel small. We came out. All right. Oh man, we had to play that fish. Oh, and it's a nice one too. Oh yes. Had me wrapped up on that piling. Had to go in there after him. Okay, some better quality. Think he wanted that Cinco? better quality right there. An 18.5. That's a quality that we need today to do well. And that's a limit fish as well. Thank you for the fight, girl. That was fun. Oh man, we got ourselves another good one. Had me wrapped up underneath that dock again. Oh man, this is the pattern. Golly, right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that one. And she was not going anywhere. Oh man, be another 18 plus incher. Alrighty, y'all, that is a 19 incher. That just got rid of a 14.25. What a solid fish. That just made things really interesting. Thank you, girl. There she goes. Oh wow, he just woke up. My goodness. Oh man, this is a mess. Oh. Oh man. I had no idea he was that big. I almost made a horrible mistake. Oh, wow, look at that bass. Whew. All right, we need to keep quiet over here. That is a nice one. Alrighty, y'all. 19 incher. I might have gotten it to touch 19.25. We'll see. Thank you, girl. On a drop shot. Okay, well, there's your 5+ pounder. I'll stay on, stay on. Yes! Oh, we found our 5+ pounder. Oh man. Look at that tank. Oh man, that may be like a 6 or 7 pounder. Look at that fish. That is incredible. That's why we come out here. I gotta see how much she weighs. And zeroed out. Yep, 6 pounds, 4 ounces. All right, here she goes. 6 pounds, 4 ounces, 22.5 inches long. That is a monster. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I figured there had to be at least one nice one mixed in there with them. Thank you, girl. Here she goes. Alrighty, everyone, that's the 2023 season. That's the top 10 catches. I can't wait to see what 2024 has in store, and we're going to be getting after it here pretty soon. But that's it for today's video, and as always, y'all, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a great deal. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in 2024.